Hey guys, so I shared a sell signal with my premium members and on my free Telegram channel that I would be selling V100 index, that they should short V100 index basically. I gave them my entry levels, my stop loss levels, and that's it. So I was able to take the sales on V100 index. I was able to see this market is going to sell. Generally on the daily time frame, I've seen the market direction. Market is going to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. At this point, basically, at this particular zone, there was a high the market formed, which was the last lower high the market formed. Because I've been seeing series of lower highs and lower lows on the daytime frame. Got a high at this point, a lower high basically, a lower high, and that lower high at this zone. Then here we got the last lower high the market formed at this particular level, which we identified with these two, which we identified with this, our horizontal two. So when we spotted this zone, we knew this level was a key level, an important zone. After the market gave us the last lower high formation, it gave us a sell-off. Now came back to retest our lower high, but failed to break out of it. Like this high is being taken out, but the market failed, got rejected at this zone. So on the forward time frame, basically, you can see that this is also a strong resistance level. The market has been selling from this zone, came back to it, sold off. We had about 1, 2, 3, 4 sells at this zone. The market has always been selling whenever it gets to this our level of resistance. Now we had a level of support as well, which we identified. I just used simple markets approach: support turned resistance, resistance broken turned support. But in this case, we had the level of support the market has always been expecting. Market buying off from this zone. And as much as we have been seeing the market sell off from this zone, our level of resistance, that's also bought from our level of support. The market has been buying off from here, reacting at this zone, like give us an approach. This is our level of support, give us a buy to the upside. Finally, we got the market break below this our level with this big bearish engulfing candle. The pressure at which it approached this our level of support was massive, which gave us the breakout. When we zoom in the chart, you can see it clearly that the market approached this level with strong bearish momentum. That gave us the breakout of this our level of support. And whenever a support level is broken, there's one basic thing we all traders should know: support on resistance. It broke below it. Definitely be expecting the market to give us a retest on it for a sell continuation. And we have these lows as well, which we're expecting the market to come meet at this point. We have these lows, so we're expecting the market to give us a sell-off to this our lows in the coming days and hours on V100 index, because we have gotten our level of support. Our key level basically broken, now turned resistance. So coming to the 1 hour time frame, basically, you can also see that the market started forming this lower highs formation. There was a high at this point. Basically, and a new high formed, but in this case a lower high. Then we had a low as well that formed, a low at this zone, and a new low formed, but in this case a lower low. We got a lower low at this point, and we had another low as well at this zone, which is a bearish pattern, which is a bearish market structure. You have seen the market structure has changed from a consolidating market at this zone. Market has always been respecting this level of support, buying up whenever it gets to it, but here it broke out of it, with this massive bearish pressure, with this massive bearish approach. So the market structure as well, the market started giving this lower highs and lower low structure. So I expected one thing, which is for the retest of this our broken level of support, not on resistance, with some couple of confirmations at this zone, like candlestick rejection, pattern formations on the lower time frame. So coming to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that there was a bearish candle that formed at this zone. Firstly, we had this bearish candle. When we zoom in the chart, you can see it clearly that we got this bearish engulfing candle here, then followed up with this pin bar to push the market to the upside, but the bulls failed to give us a nice buy to the upside, a nice move to the upside, but instead it gave us a weak rejection at this zone, indicating that there was less bullish pressure. So afterwards, we got this bearish engulfing candle that followed up, that produced this sell to the downside. Entered on a couple of confirmations, the break of this our level. You can see this clearly on the 5-minute time frame that the market gave us this double top formation. So I waited for the market to give me a break and a test of the neckline of this or double top at this point. We had these two equal highs at this zone. So I waited for the market to give me the break and a test of the neckline. You can see it had the market reacting at this zone as a resistance, sort of gave us a breakout of it, resistance turned support, a break and a retest of it. So this level was identified as an important level, as a key level, a level which we should be expecting a market reaction on whenever the market gets to it. So the market came back to this zone again and gave us a buy up from this our level as a support. Finally, we got the breakout of it, a break below it, break and test. So I entered on the break and test of this our level of resistance that was once a support, now turned resistance. So we sold at this point. We took the sales with this bearish pin bar, with this bearish pin bar, this bearish hammer. We took the sales at this point. You can see the market push the downside. So I've closed some positions basically, and I'm holding a few positions to run up. I'm expecting more sales of V100 index in days and hours now. So let's watch out for V100 index for a nice sell. Let's see how the market is going to play out. I'll be giving you guys an update on how the trade played out. So if you enjoyed this video, do hit the smash like button for more videos like this, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, big shout out to you guys. I really appreciate the support. But let's engage in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.